वेलकम टू शॉर्ट सॉल्यूशंस यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग इंस्टॉल करेंगे पीवीसी कार प्रिंटर ऑफ ब्रांड आईडीपी एंड देयर मॉडल सॉलिड 510D। It has two things to install in printer. One is IDP ribbon kit that we also call dial film cartridge, and second the PVC cards. So let's start its installation. So first we will install the diaphragm ribbon cartridge or a ribbon kit. For that you have to press over here to open the hopper. Once printer is open, you will find the ribbon attachment inside. This is the ribbon attachment. So all we need to do is just to install the ribbon in this. It has two sides. One is called supply, if you could see, and the second is take up. So the new diaphragm ribbon roll will be this side and the used will be this way. So let's open the diaphragm ribbon. This is basically a diaphragm ribbon, has a two sides. One is a brand new unused and the second roller will consist the used part, and it also has a sticky roller. This sticky roller will pick the dust from the card while printing. So first we will install the sticky roller. To install the sticky roller, you just have to place this over here and press like this. Sticky roller is installed successfully. Then we have a diaphragm ribbon cartridge. So the position for the diaphragm ribbon will be this way. The gear part will be on the up. You will place the one side inside the attachment and press. Same for the other side. This way you can install your diaphragm ribbon. Now we can place this inside our PVC card printer, but before that we have to remove the sticky roller tape. And this way we can remove the sticky roller tape. The basic functionality for the sticky roller is to pick dust when card comes for the printing inside the printer. So now we can just simply place the ribbon attachment inside the printer. I will show you. This way you can place. Then we can simply close the. Now we will see how we can install the PVC card inside our printer. So this is the front hopper. Just need to open this, and this is your PVC card. You can simply place your card quantity inside the printer. Once you place, you can close the door. Next we have the output hopper. This is the part where your printed PVC card will come out from the printer. Once you successfully install the diaphragm ribbon and a PVC card inside the printer, next we have to connect the USB cable and a power adapter to start our printing functionality. So to connect a USB cable and a power adapter, printer has a connection slot over here. You could see there is one on-off button also available. This port is basically for the power connection and this port is basically for the USB connection. Connect the USB. This is the USB cable to the printer. One side will be in the printer, second will be to your desktop and PC computer. Next we will connect the power cable. Once you connect the power cable and then plug to the main power supply, now your IDP printer is installed successfully with a PVC card and a DAR film. Now you can install the driver into your PC computer to start doing your printing job work. Thank you so much.